Hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel, whatever you're doing here. Thank you for being here. Please like and subscribe and share it to your mama, to your daddy, to your uncles, to your tias, to your dog. I don't ask for much. I don't. Do I? No, I don't. It's one of my very toxic traits. I don't know how to ask for help. But that's not what we're here for today. I'm just gonna cry silently. I'm gonna explain to you what the video is about, what we're doing, because it was very chaotic. First of all, I would like to thank big thank you to everyone that partook in the video, that dedicated, because this honestly took like one full day, okay, of filming, getting everybody here, cutting and whatever, doing all this other stuff. So I really appreciate anyone who cooked. My two sisters, my auntie and my mom. Thank you for the chauffeurs, judges, the kids. Shout out to the kids for not being quiet, but trying their very best to be quiet in the background of this video. So it's my life, okay? It's chaotic. There's a lot of children, so I have to put up with it. So do you. Parents, my aunties, my grandma, were all born in El Salvador, as you may know. Made it to the United States of America, had children, and that resulted in very whitewashed children. I feel like we're pretty whitewashed, and you know, it was a fight or flight response, okay? You had to assimilate to American culture. Like, I wanted a PB&J sandwich for lunch. I didn't want friggin' pupusas. My heart wanted it, but like my brain was like, chill, everyone's eating mac and cheese. Mac and cheese is so good. Mind you, I really don't like mac and cheese. So because of that, I wanted to see if my sisters, this first generation Americans, first generation citizens, that's what we are, if we have some culture left in us and know how to make, prepare, execute making traditional Salvadorian foods. And if they cannot, shame on you, mother. Shame on you, Tia Ali. You didn't teach us. And I'm gonna leave it at that. There's let me try that again. There's 4 chefs, which is my mom, Erodita, that's her name. You call her Tiero, I call her mother. Actually, I call her like mommy. Ali. Third is Abigail, which is my oldest sister. Sarah, my other older sister, but she's the middle one. And I'm not cooking. I'm making this video and I'm editing it, okay? It's not because I can't cook, you know? Money talks, I would have Ubered it. Uber Eats. Pupusas for everybody. We have some people judging, which are, well, 2 brothers-in-law, cousin John, myself, my niece Delilah, and then my mom and my tia Ali also try it because honestly they're big fans of YouTube and I wanted to get them out there in front of a camera because they're very entertaining and they're adorable. The foods are pupusas revueltas, which is chicharrón, pork, queso, cheese, frijoles, beans. That's what revueltas are. It should have those 3 things. Traditionally, allegedly, traditionally, that's what it has. And then you eat it with curtido and salsa.
Pork. Eat a drink. I don't eat curtido. I'll try curtido. Number 1 was authentic. The masa was good. It was moist. It wasn't flaky. What am I reaching for? I can't see where I'm going.
Okay, may I
I don't want to flavor the curtido. Just a little. Okay. Let me shake it off. Shake it off. Salsa was bland. It was alright. Starting to sweat. I use this as a sweat rag.
Pupusa. Sounds good.
Sounds good too. My guess is Zeros.
Here, you can grab a little bit. I don't know.
I don't need it. Touch it without seeing what I'm doing.
Okay.
I turned it around so I didn't double dip you. That's very good. That's a very good pupusa. Can I hear Blanquito?
Here's your pupusa.
I can tell you right now, this is my wife's. This is Evans. I've had enough. Very good. I'm not gonna be biased.
The 1 carrot.
That's my mom. Hey, that's my mom's holding the pan right now.
These are still warm. Ah. Ooh. Ooh. These is good. Problem with these are, they're a little warm. You gotta let it settle. The best one that I've had was number 2. The second best was number 1. The third best was the one I just had. Fourth best was my wife's. Sorry.
Who do you think the first one was?
Edos, number 1.
Okay.
Ali, number 2. Sarah, number 3. Abby, number 4. Okay.
He's like,
I like vinegar.
there you go.
I mean, you can't taste the vinegar. It's just crunchy. I'm ready.
Ready.
A little more flavor in this one.
Pretty
More
dry.
flavor, but pretty dry.
Curtido's on.
Alright, hold on. It's just dry.
Alright.
Very cheesy.
Very cheesy. Okay.
Salsa isn't authentic,
Ooh.
but it's good. Or I should say the salsa is very flavorful. Is this the last one?
Yeah.
I like number 3 the best. Did I say number 1 was the driest?
Yeah.
So that's my least favorite. 1 would be 3, 2 would be 2, 3 would be 4, and then 4 would be 1.
Don't make a farmer, huh? Okay.
You go for single right mingle.
Okay.
You tried the salsa too?
Yeah, can you get another one though? I think I ate it too fast.
That one's bomb.
It's a bomb. I don't know about this one. It's possible. It's edible. It's good.
Wow. Fourth best was my wife's.
Oh,
Yeah, it's good. I'm gonna go with number 2.
is your favorite?
Is my favorite. I think that one was Tiali's. The first one I think I was Tiaros, which was good too. Number 3, that one kind of scared me. I don't know about that one.
Who do you
I don't
think
know.
made it?
I'm gonna say that's a tough one, honestly.
So number 3 is definitely gonna be your least favorite.
Yeah, I'd say so. Yeah, and I'm gonna say that one. Sarah made that one. I just haven't seen her in the kitchen. The last one, Abby's little roco, was good.
I got a bit of a bacon taste. I don't know why.
Yeah, it's like smoky. Either somebody burnt it or it was on purpose.
They dip
When I
it.
drink it.
I can't see.
You want some Curtido?
That tastes
Yeah,
authentic.
yeah. Put some of the
Whoa.
whatever it is called.
I love Curtido. That was good. That's definitely one of the moms. Thank you.
Dip it.
This is one of the moms. That's salty.
Oh.
But a good salty. Not bad salty.
But it wasn't like.
Las orillas son thick.
You're not
Okay. Oh yeah.
Close your mouth.
Ya sé quién es. Me too. It's good.
I can't even see.
Why does it taste like coconut? Mami le puso coconut. Gotcha. Number uno in my heart.
1.
It was number 3.
1. 2 for me is treat.
Number 2 for me. Number 1. Number 1. That's the one that I thought was one of the tias. My mom's is good. I'm gonna put her at number 3, which was number 4.
I'll put her.
I'm only putting her at number 3 because she didn't follow directions.
I'll put her at number 2.
Even though I wrote it down. Number 2 is like number 4. Number 1 was 1, 2, 3, Abby. Number 2, Sarah. Number 3, Tiali. And then number 4 was my mom. Did I get them?
Yeah.
Right, like each one?
Yes.
Smart.
Oh!
Smarty.
Second plate, pasteles.
This one's it.
The meat tasted like water.
I don't eat anymore.
It was soft, crunchy.
The meat was dry.
Y denle like. Les vamos a enseñar la próxima receta haciéndola, preparando el material. Porque todos hacemos pupusas los salvadoreños y todos lo hacemos diferente. Nadie las hace igual, ¿ok? Aquí habemos muchas haciendo pupusas y todos hacemos diferente.
No solo en El Salvador, aquí también hay pupusera.
I'll see you in a little bit. Also got my nails done. They weren't done earlier, but they're done now. So yeah, I'll see you there. I miss you already. Mwah.